Look at this, my people. Look at this. Big up the elders, man. Big up the women. Big up the certain man them, man. Get me? That'll come out in unison. Africa, the diaspora. The police are going like they're leading something, but they're not. But I suppose they do what they gotta do, and we do what we gotta do. Powers, even the armies them are walking. See that, dude? Mad. Big dog, Tony. Yeah, we get the flags up. Everyone's here. Jamaica, Tanzania, Congo. Everyone. Look at that, Powers, though. Bringing London to a standstill. That's it, London to a standstill. Look at the elders, man. Where's the young people, though, bro? Like, you lot are moist. Don't stand for nothing apart from pissy blocks. Yeah, you know, like that. Man them last, man. But this, you know what? But we're grateful for this. This is a start. You know, because this is the first one in this name of Ibrahim Traoré. Free Palestine, free Burkina. You get me? Free everyone, bro. Like, you don't see them come unite with us, but I see Rasta out there things as well. You know? This is why we gotta stand on our own accord. You know, united front. Africans and the diaspora. Because when it really comes down to it, that's all we have, you know. That's all we got is each other. You know what I mean? We got all of those who have gone to Africa to show us that there is hope for us in Africa and the Caribbean. Those of us that have moved out of the Western atmosphere. That's powers as well. Respect to all of you, you know.
I watch your thing every blood clot day, you know.
Oh,
every blood clot day. You probably see little Angola somewhere on the thing there, yeah. Yeah, man.
No, respect my brother.
Thing,
no, love for that.
Black blood clot, now, you know what I mean? Six, man, and like,
yeah.
it's kind of like, I used to do spoof things.
Yeah. No, we're just standing united front. Solidarity. Aunties there, you know what I mean? This one person in
The wind of change is blowing on Africa.
I might have to go now because my back is mash up. But I suppose these elders are giving me strength because their foot and thing must be mashed up as well. So I've got to keep on going, man. See, Auntie here, you said, get me? Like, I've got to keep on going there, man. From these elders can hack it, I suppose I can hack it too, right? This sister here, always here, you know, beating the drums, you know. This sister's always on her thing. Always come out with her Mac 10 45mm sniper rifle drum, you know. Everywhere we see the sister, you know, from the little, you know. Always on the power. Always.